Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add a music bot on your Discord server. And to do so it's very easy, so let me show you. Now first you have to go to Google and then search for music bot Discord server. Now once you have made that search, you will find this website called top.gg, which is basically ranking the best bots for your Discord servers. So click on it and here you will find a lot of bots. So I advise you to use either Lara or Nova because they are the best in my opinion, but you can also use other ones. I will use Lara for this tutorial. So click on invite here. So here, as you can see, the Discord app has been launched. So let's go back to Discord. Now, once I am here, you will find that Lara wants to access your Discord account. This will allow the developer of Lara to add the bot to a server and create comments. So, of course, this bot is trusted, so you can give it the authorizations, and then you can add it to any server. So let's add it to this server, for example, and click on continue. Now here, of course, give it all the authorizations, and then click on authorize. Now go to your server and you will just have to go to a certain channel if you want, but you can go to any text channel and then here write slash play, and then in the query here you can either put the name of a song or the song URL from YouTube. So just go on YouTube, search a song, and then copy the video URL and paste it here and you'll be good. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.